presented them to Council, and Council graciously approved our memos. The first one was for the upgrade and rehabilitation of Terminal B at the Nnamdi Kanu International Airport. I'm sure you know the Terminal B there, the domestic wing, where most of the facilities are actually very old and obsolete. The chillers are not at their best. Most of them have outlived their lifespan. The carousels and a couple of other infrastructure at that terminal. So we plan to upgrade and rehabilitate that terminal, and Council graciously approved our memo for the upgrade and rehabilitation of that terminal. And it is awarded for the cost at the cost of 2,442,418,004 naira. We also brought a prayer for the provision of command and control center at various regional airports across the country. And those airports are Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Kano, Enugu airports and headquarters. And these command and control centers across all of these airports is to meet the requirements of ICAO, the very modern requirements of ICAO, that every airport you have a command and control center. And that has been awarded at the cost of 2 billion, collectively all of them, 2,924,907,269 naira 81 kobo. These two were graciously approved. The other one that was approved was for the contract for the procurement of critical navigational aids spare parts. We had a problem whereby most of the spare parts used for navigational aids, some of them, when they go obsolete or they go bad, we'll have to go through the process of having to get across to the original equipment manufacturers, the OEMs, to try and get in these equipments. And sometimes they take months for them to come in. And within that time, we'll find our air traffic controllers struggling to ensure that they keep our airspace safe. So we have a program where some of the very, very equipments or parts of those equipments that are like the ones they are like, you know, when you are servicing a vehicle, those parts that you use all the time and you replace all the time. We brought a proposal to have the spare parts with us, so that it will be very easy for us to replace some of those spare parts when any of these equipments need them. And the Council graciously approved that memo also. And most of those equipments are coming in from, of course, we all know the giants, equipment manufacturing giants, Indra in Norway, and they're coming at the sum of 654,000 US dollars plus another 201 million naira, 411,364 naira. That is, those are the two major prayers, memos that were approved today for aviation. Thank you.